A very good morning to all of you children. I hope so everyone is fine. So today the topic we are going to discuss is regarding major water bodies. So before starting the major water bodies, I would like to tell you some important points. The first point is that water covers the 71% of the earth in the form of a large and small water bodies, and all these water bodies are of great importance for the life on the earth. Beside this, you have to study that on the earth there is how many percent of ocean? 71% of ocean and 97% of water. And beside being sources of drinking water for human being and animal, they are also sustainable for all the aquatic life. So let's get started. So children, before studying about this one, we have to study about the ocean. So how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 type of oceans in the world. Children, see, whatever I am giving you our notes, it will be very helpful for you for your exam, so that it will be a quick revision for you. So I have written the small short notes. So if you are having any doubt, you could ask to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so yeah, let's begin the class. What we were talking about? We were talking about that there are 5 types of ocean in the world. The first is the Pacific Ocean, the second is Atlantic Ocean, the third is Indian Ocean, the fourth is Arctic Ocean, and fifth is Southern Ocean. Okay, so Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and it covers 1/3 of the globes. Pacific Ocean is the which ocean? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and it covers 1/3 of the globe. It is almost which shape, children? It is the shape of the Pacific Ocean is circular. Circular means circular shape. Okay, and therefore the children, I want to tell you that its border on its edges formed by the New Fold mountain that have the maximum concentration of the active volcanoes, and that is why this mountain range have been termed in the as a ring of fire. So the 2 points you have to remember. The first point is that it is the largest ocean and it covers 1/3 of the globe and it is almost circular in the shape. And the second point which you have to remember is that the Fold mountain, which is having the maximum concentration of the active volcanoes, that mountain range have been termed as a ring of fire. Okay, and the second ocean, which is, it is a half size of the Pacific Ocean, means the first and the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, then second is half size of Pacific Ocean is Atlantic Ocean. So let's get started from here. Okay, I hope so my video is clear. Yeah, so children, see what it is written here. The largest ocean and covers over 1/3 of the globe, almost circular in shape. Now I have already explained. And Fold mountain that have the maximum concentration of active volcanoes, therefore these mountain ranges have been termed as ring of fire. Okay, children, Pacific Ocean, the Fold mountain, there are many types of mountains: old mountain, young fold mountains. In that mountain there are its type also, which I have already explained you. So in the Pacific Ocean, Fold mountains is having the maximum concentration of active volcanoes, which means that यहाँ के जो पहाड़ होते हैं बेटा, वहाँ पे लगातार जो volcanoes होते हैं, volcanoes भी से इन हिंदी ज्वालामुखी, तो जो ज्वालामुखी होती है वो एक्टिव होते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसी वजह से इनको क्या कहा गया है? रिंग ऑफ फायर. ओके, वाई रिंग ऑफ फायर? बिकॉज ऑफ एक्टिव volcanoes. Okay, so next point, what it is given? The deepest part of the earth crust, the Mariana Trench, which lie in the ocean near the Philippines. So children, I would like to say you that the southern part of the Pacific Ocean merges with the Atlantic as well as Indian Ocean, and the deepest part of the earth crust, मतलब जो earth crust, what is crust? There are 3 types of layers. 3 types of layers of the earth. First is core, second is क्रस्ट एंड थर्ड इज मेंटल. ठीक है, तो जो सबसे गहरी पार्ट होती है अर्थ क्रस्ट की लेयर की, वो कौन सी है? मैरियाना ट्रेंच, जो कहाँ पे लाई करती है? इन द ओशियन नियर द फिलीपींस. आई होप सो यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड रिगार्डिंग द पैसिफिक ओशियंस. There should be no any doubt. Yes, very good. So let's get started to the next ocean. The next ocean is Indian Ocean. Okay, so Indian Ocean is roughly triangular in the shape and covers 1/5 of the total area under the oceans. Okay, so Indian Ocean, By the name it suggests, in the question only answer is hidden. Indian Ocean is roughly triangular in shape and covers 1/5 of the total area under the ocean. India is located at the head of this ocean. That is why ocean has been named after this. So children, you have to remember by this name India. इंडियन ओशियन, इंडिया इज़ लोकेटेड एट द हेड ऑफ द ओशियन. ठीक है, तो इंडियन ओशियन का जो शेप होता है बेटा वो कैसा होता है? ट्रायंगुलर शेप. ओके, द शेप ऑफ इंडियन ओशियन इज अ triangular shape. And how many part it's covered? It covers the ocean about 1/5 part. Okay, and India is located where? India is located at the head of this ocean. Okay, so 3 points are there becoming in the Indian Ocean. The first point is that it is a roughly and triangular shape and it covers 1/5 total areas. The second point is that India is located at the head of the ocean. That is why it is termed as Indian Ocean. And children, one thing I want to tell you also, that the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are two important parts of the Indian Ocean to its north. Okay, so what we have discussed now, we have discussed about two oceans. The first is Pacific Ocean, the second is Indian Ocean. Yes, so let's come on next one. Next, what it is given? Next it is given the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean, northernmost ocean and lie to the north of the North America, Europe, Asia, and is located mostly within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. So children, where it lies? It lies in the northernmost ocean and it lies to the north of America. Okay, एशिया एज वेल एज यूरोप. तो ये कहाँ पे है बेटा? ये नदर्न मोस्ट ओशियन है, नॉर्थ साइड पे ओशियन ये पड़ता है. और ये कहाँ पे लाइक करता है? ज़्यादातर ये नॉर्थ अमेरिका में, यूरोप में एंड एशिया में. और ये कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है बेटा? ज़्यादातर लोकेटेड आर्कटिक सर्कल पे होता है. वेन एवर द नेम कम्स आर्कटिक, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट, यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट आर्कटिक मीन्स वेर एवर इट विल बी located, it will be located on the in the Arctic circle. By the question only you can understand that in a question only answer is hidden. Arctic Ocean, Arctic Circle, and it remain frozen for most part of the year. तो बेटा आर्कटिक ओशियन एक ऐसा ओशियन है जहाँ पे सालों साल जो होते हैं वहाँ पे बर्फ़ जमी होती है. ठीक है, ओके, लेट्स कम ऑन नेक्स्ट वन. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is also called as a Southern Oceans. Okay, so sometime in the exams it can be asked that what is Southern Ocean. So don't get confused, you can write down that Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean, which surround the continent of Antarctica. ठीक है, तो Antarctic Ocean जो होती है उसको हम Southern Ocean बोलते हैं, जो कौन सी कॉन्टिनेंट को घेरता है? अंटार्कटिका को. ओके, ओशियन इज फॉर्म बाय मर्जिंग पैसिफिक, अटलांटिक एंड इंडियन ओशियन. तो ये ओशियन कैसे फॉर्म होता है? फॉर्म मीन्स कैसे बनता है? पैसिफिक, अटलांटिक और इंडियन ओशन के साथ मिलके बनता है. सपोज दैट आवर बॉडी, ओके, सपोज दैट आवर बॉडी इज हियर. ओके, दिस इज आवर बॉडी. सो दिस इज हेड, दिस इज आर्म एंड दिस इज लेग. ठीक है, तो ये तीनों चीज़ों से मिलके क्या होता है? हमारी बॉडी बनती है. ठीक है, हमारी क्या बनती है बेटा? बॉडी बनती है. तो सिमिलरली कंसिडर इट दैट अंटार्कटिक ओशन इज अ बॉडी एंड इट इज फॉर्म बाय पैसिफिक ओशन, अटलांटिक ओशन एज वेल एज इंडियन ओशन. ओके, एंड so I think that there should be no any doubt regarding the Antarctic Ocean. And children, now ocean is formed by which types of oceans? They are formed by merging Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. ये तीनों ओशियन को मिला के ही कौन सा ओशियन बनता है? अंटार्कटिक ओशियन. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हियर व्हाट इज रिटन इन द नेक्स्ट वन. ओशियन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस इन मेनी रीजन्स. सो व्हाट इज ओशियन एंड हाउ मेनी रीजन्स इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट? ओशियन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन मेनी वेज. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन, द ग्रेट स्टोर हाउस ऑफ द ऑयल एंड मिनरल रिसोर्स. तो ओशियन में क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पे ऑयल जो होता है, ऑयल पाया जाता है और क्या पाया जाता है? मिनरल रिसोर्सेस. ओके, the next point is support a large variety of aquatic life. What do you mean by aquatic? Aquatic means those organisms which lives under the water like fish and marine animals. Okay, ऐसे जानवर, ऐसे पक्षी जो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? पानी, समुद्र के अंदर रहते हैं. तो that is said to be aquatic life. तो ये क्या करते हैं? बहुत सारे जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं. लार्ज वैरायटी ऑफ अ aquatic life. Next, come on the next topic. sorry, next point, the next point what it is given, also a sources of food supply for many people. Yeah, obviously ocean is also a sources of food supply for many people for importing and exporting through the boats or any water transport system. And it is also a moderate climate of the coastal areas. And one thing I want to tell you children, they facilitate the international trade by providing the trade routes. Okay, so let's repeat once again. So ocean is how many of type? 5 types: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. We can write here Southern Ocean is also known as which ocean beta? Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Okay. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean is half size of the Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean is of triangular shape. Okay, and India is located at the head of that ocean, that is why it is named as Indian Ocean. And then next is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is located where? In the northernmost ocean, especially in North America, Europe and Asia. And the last is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as a Antarctic Ocean, which surround which continent? By the name it suggests, it surround the Antarctic Oceans, and it is formed by merging Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. I hope so you all have understood. Okay, now come on, next video I am going to send you, see that video, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, thank you beta.